You are going to love the 2026 Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, 8-way power driver seat. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.